Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think it's a very clear that this is going to make three waves down for wave 4 before it goes up and makes the wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wave uptrend that started way back here in 2020. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, technically the trend is still up, and we have to keep in mind that it definitely could go up to any one of these Fibonacci levels. And wave B sometimes even do make new highs, so we don't know that the trend is over, that's for sure. Eventually, I do think it is going to go down and make a wave C, but until it actually gives us proof that it's going down, we have to be a little bit cautious, and we have to be aware that this is the weekly time frame move, which means it's going to take months to play out. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now, we had a pretty significant little move down, but technically it definitely doesn't have a break of structure, so this move down could be a correction to this move up right here. It could be an ABC correction, and it possibly could just keep on going up. The trend is definitely not confirmed to be over yet. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, I do kind of suspect that this move up could be a correction to this move down, just because of correlated yen pairs. And the fact that this is impulsive and the fact that this is three waves makes me think that this is a wave C and that this is a wave A and this is a wave B. Three waves, impulsive up, three waves down, and impulsive up makes me think ABC. So I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels. If it respects one of these levels and makes a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would take it as a short. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, when you see three waves down after an impulsive move up, a lot of times that is telling you something very important, which is this is an A or maybe a 1, this is a B or maybe a 2, and then we're either in a 3 or a C. I'm hoping it's a wave C, and I'm hoping that it will respect one of these fib levels and make a nice engulfing move, nice little break of structure, confirming that this is the end of a correction and confirming that we can go short for potentially the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, we have to be a little on the cautious side because it could be a wave 3, or it could possibly go up to any one of these Fibonacci levels before it actually does turn. So pay attention to Fibonacci levels, pay attention to your structure, and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.